1, 2. Good morning. Let's continue Xinjia Yilu, the Chen style Tai Chi, the 51 posture. After the 野马分钟, but after this one, we do this one, stopping here. We start from here. 野马分钟, then 大六封四闭. This is a false 六封四闭, but this name is called 大六封四闭. The total 9 postures. The first 4 are different. After 4, the fourth movement after that is same as other 六封四闭. Here got special movement. That's why I call this one called 大六封四闭. Okay, let me do once. 1, 2, 3. Because this one called hit out. This one called 大六封四闭. 3, then 4, 5, 6. From here is same as the previous one. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let me do one more time. From the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let me explain everything in detail. The first one, the weight is on left, then continue to push out, called 捧. Just now hand 捧, then go up a little bit, then expand more. 捧, then 捋. 捋 is up to down. This we call 捋. 捋. Then weight to right. Then weight move to left. Also weighting movement. 1, 2. Then move this side. Then this hands this way. Hit. And this hands this way. Move. Show strength. Turn body. Hit. Then open. And lift. Lift. Open. Step to forward. Open, then hit. Then squeeze down. Hit, squeeze down. Okay, let me do 4 times in different angles as usual. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8, 9 posture or 10 posture depends here. If you can't just, if you don't show strength, become 9. If you can't the strength hitting 1, total 10 postures. 10 or 9. I prefer as 10. Okay, this side. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one is the repetition posture. 单边 total 13 movements. Let's continue to the next posture.